Say hi, everyone. Hello and welcome back to the Fife Life. In today's video, we're sharing one of our favorite family activities, which is going to our campground and making tinfoil dinners over a fire. We'll be showing how we make our tinfoil dinners as well as how we do it safely with a toddler. So thank you for watching. Alright, so let's get started with our go-to tinfoil dinner setup that we assemble at home before we leave for the campground. In this setup, you'll need potatoes, onion, garlic, beef, a can of cream of chicken, frozen vegetables, salt, pepper, and steak seasoning. Usually, we just make one big tinfoil dinner and then just share as a family. Also, the mixed frozen vegetables are so easy just to add to it to make it healthier and also adds in some good flavor. A pro tip is to make sure that you wrap the food in foil with at least 3 layers. That way you don't need to worry about anything leaking out of it. When we go to the campground, we always bring our wagon with all the stuff. That way, we aren't making more than one trip to the campground from the car. We bring our camping chairs, fire starter supplies and wood, obviously the food and drinks, plates and utensils, and then some portable toys that we bring for our toddler as we wait for dinner to be ready. The safest way to entertain your toddler, especially because you're building a fire close by and toddlers have to be watched so closely by fires, is to always bring some toys from home to help entertain your toddler. Some of the toys that we bring to the campground include little shovels that she can just play in the dirt, bubbles. Really, if you want to entertain a toddler, always bring bubbles. And then we bring a book or two to read. Also, snacks. Just in case the food takes a little bit longer than expected, make sure that you bring your toddler and yourself a snack. To get the fire started really fast, Jared usually uses a propane torch to help start the fire.
So tired. You getting delirious, kiddo?
The tinfoil dinner takes about 30 minutes to cook. Jared always brings leather gloves to help handle the tinfoil dinner. On this night, we actually forgot to bring paper plates, so we just ate it right out of the tinfoil. And I know this may not look absolutely delicious to you, but it was. It definitely tastes better than it looked.
Rowan,
Say thanks for watching.
Watching.
Thanks for watching our video. Say bye.
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 Can you wave, Brittany?
Bye.
Can you wave?
Bye. Bye.
I'm gonna eat my food now. Bye.
Bye.
Let me know in the comments below what kind of tinfoil dinners you love making with your family. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to follow along with us and watch more videos about motherhood, lifestyle, and videography, hit that subscribe button and notification bell because we post a new video every single Wednesday. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy your tinfoil dinners.